Okay. So, first of all, you're gonna need like 4 things. Yeah, I have a concealer, 2 lipsticks, dapat isa darker shade something, tapos lip gloss. So first, like, you're gonna do this, and you're gonna blend. Gawin mo siyang like, oh no. Wait, kailangan ko magsalamin for this. Ililip line mo gamit yung ito. There. Trust the process. Sunod, you're gonna use a blending brush. But it's too lazy to get my blending brush, so I'm gonna use this. I just there. So ano? There. No. You see the good blending. Once it's okay, you're gonna need powder. Pwede naman siyang baby powder kasi kailangan mo konti lang. You're just going to use it to set your whole face on the brush about the excess. So, kaya ako nag-concealer para like, you know, ano siya, para mas, kasi di ba may two-tone lips tayo, para mas magpantay, tas para mas maglabas yung color. Wait. Okay. So, first, maglalagay tayo. Manood ka, ha? This is mousse kasi kaya mabilis siya eh. Matuyo. Kaya, I will go fast. Wait. Blend mo. Sorry, excuse me bangs. Please lang. So now, some more. And, panoorin mo.
Tell me, what do you see?
Blend mo yan. Truly, bro. You put some here. There. Now, once you're done with the mousse, oh my gosh, ang ine-next mo, a darker shade of your lipstick. And you're gonna follow the, things I did kanina. You know, you get me? Like, bro, I'm so bad. Here, ha? Tapos, oh no.
This is my kingdom.
There. Oh no. Ayan. Anyways, that's fine. We'll blend it out. I'm gonna put some here. There we go. Sunod. I-blend out mo na, of course. Try to like, i-ano mo lang siya sa middle. Pero mag-blend ka sa sides. Ayan, sunod dito. I-blend mo lang hanggang umayos.
Yeah.
Sunod, you're gonna put lip gloss. Lip gloss is the crucial part kasi kanina nakita ko, nilagay niya sa lahat ng
Ano mo yan?
buong labi mo yung lipstick. So, gagawin mo, here, listen mo ha.
Siya,
I'm gonna put
ilopol mo na yan.
some here. There, diba? I'm gonna put some more. Okay. Now, once you put there na, you're gonna put some here. Listen mo ha. Here. Go a little overlined with the lip gloss. Dito ka lang sa center maglagay ha. There. That's how you do juicy lips, bro. Oh, wait. Thank you.